How to add fake camera shake effects in Capcut. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Capcut app, and then you want to click on new project to import the picture you want to add the camera shake effect to. Now go ahead to look for the picture you want to import, and when you find it, you want to click on it and tap on add. Now the next thing you want to do is to tap on the picture you just imported. Now there should be options like this on your screen. Now scroll sideways to where you see effect and tap on it. Now you are going to be tapping on style. Now over here you are going to be searching for motion and tap on it. Now when you get to motion, you want to scroll sideways to where you see camera shake and tap on it. And guys, this is exactly how to add fake camera shake effects in Capcut. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.